What is up, YouTube? We got the whole crew here. We have actually been at Busch Gardens, Tampa. We're actually leaving now. We've seen the sights, rode the rides, and even learned a little bit about reselling. Want to find out what I mean? Stay tuned.
Nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, 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 nothing can stop us.
So sometimes eBay and, well, all other selling platforms, they can be a roller coaster. Sometimes you sell a lot, sometimes you don't sell anything at all. But that's just the way it is. Keep listing things, keep relisting things. You can end items and sell similar. There's a lot of different tricks to keep things moving. That's the biggest thing, is just keep things moving, keep working at it, and I promise you'll succeed. So it's very important to make sure you package your items carefully, because I'm pretty sure these guys that drive for the Postal Service, UPS, FedEx, pretty sure they're all in bumper cars and they'll tear your stuff up. So make sure you package your items carefully. So Sloan and I are sitting here checking out the map of Busch Gardens, trying to figure out where we want to go next, and that reminded me of another point of reselling. It's easy to set goals, but you need a map to get there. Like, it's easy to say, hey, I want to make $1,000 of profit a month, or I want to list a certain amount of things a month, but unless you figure out how to do that, the goals are pointless. So make sure you have a map. So when it comes to reselling, don't be afraid to be like these guys and stick your neck out. Sometimes it's okay to try something new, whether it's a new brand, a new category, a new niche, a new thrift store, or a new selling platform, anything. Don't be afraid to stick your neck out and try something new. Worst case scenario, you learn something. So that's Larry, and I honestly don't know if that's really his name or not, but he's just kind of hanging out over here by himself, minding his own business. And that's my next advice for you: mind your own business. You see a lot of like Instagram posts or social media posts about people, how much they sell, or their picture of their packages that go out, and really it doesn't mean anything. I'm probably guilty of it too, but don't compare yourself to others. Just mind your own business, and I promise it'll help you succeed. So we're about to get on a train ride, and that reminded me of one important reseller point, is to stay on track. But seriously, working by yourself, being a reseller, there's tons of distractions, especially if you work from home. It's kind of hard to stay on track, but it's very important. So this place reminded me, always take good photos. If you take good photos and give accurate descriptions, the buyer knows exactly what they're getting. And lots of times if you take really good photos, you may get more money for your items. So take good photos. Say cheese. Oscar is definitely my favorite Sesame Street character, but that also reminds me not to act like him when I'm trying to deal with customers. I know customers suck, it's just part of business, but treat them with kindness. Don't be a grouch like Oscar. Who knows, it might lead to positive feedback and maybe even another sale. You never know.
We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.